Hello friends. Welcome to Tech. Let's build Azure Logic App together. Azure Logic App is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure. It allows you to create workflows and automate tasks by connecting various services, applications, and data sources. To explore more on this, go to riovtech.com and check out the latest content. This blog contains all the interesting content related to Azure Platform as a Service, highlighting its key features, benefits, and practical use cases. Explore how Azure PaaS empowers businesses with scalability, flexibility, and seamless integration capabilities. Check out the link given in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.